If you've ever recorded a video in OBS Studio and ended up with a file type you couldn't easily share or edit, this video is going to help you out. Today, I'll walk you through how to change OBS Studio's recording output from the default format, usually MKV, to MP4, which is widely compatible with most players and editing software. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust this setting so all your future recordings save as MP4 files, streamlining your workflow and making life just a little bit easier. Let's get started right inside OBS Studio. First, to change where and how your recordings are saved, you'll need to access the Settings menu. If you're not sure where that is, look for the Settings button. It's usually at the bottom right corner of OBS, just below your controls. Go ahead and click it, and don't worry if things look complicated. I'll walk you through everything step by step. Now, within the Settings dialog box, you'll see a row of tabs along the left side. What you're looking for is the Output tab. Give that a click. This tab manages all sorts of OBS output options, like your stream and recording settings. We're focused on recordings today, so let's zone in on that section. Depending on how your OBS is set up, you might see something labeled Simple or Advanced Output Mode near the top of this panel. If you're in Simple mode, the Recording section will be pretty straightforward. In Advanced mode, you may need to scroll a bit, but either way, keep an eye out for the section that says Recording. That's what controls the file format for saved recordings. Here comes the critical part. Inside that recording area, you'll spot an option called Recording Format. This is a drop-down menu, and by default, it'll probably be set to MKV. MKV format is great for certain use cases because it's resilient to crashes. If something goes wrong while you're recording, MKV files are less likely to get corrupted. But for most editing programs and direct playback, MP4 is the go-to standard, especially if you want easy compatibility. So, click on that drop-down menu and select MP4. Just a quick note, switching to MP4 does mean that if OBS crashes or if you stop a recording abruptly, the file might not be recoverable, since MP4 finalizes on successful completion. Don't let that worry you. Most recordings complete smoothly, and using MP4 makes sharing or uploading videos so much simpler. If you do ever have issues, you can always use OBS's Remux feature to convert MKV to MP4, but that's a topic for another video. Once you've made your choice, don't forget to click Apply before you hit OK. It's a small step, but it locks in your new settings. Skipping this could mean you accidentally revert back to the old format the next time you record. Think of it like hitting Save after editing a document. It makes your changes stick, and just like that, OBS will now save all your future recordings as MP4 files. This means easier editing, uploading, and sharing without any conversion hassles. Take a deep breath. It really is that simple. If you're looking to make your workflow more efficient or you just need your files to play nicely with your favorite video editor, this one setting makes a world of difference. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have a specific setup you need help with. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides just like this one. I've got plenty more tips to help you get the most out of your recording setup. See you in the next video.